Hi there everybody, so welcome to another video. On today's one I have my Mercedes CLK here, the w208 convertible. We're gonna be changing the side light bulb. So that one's working and that one is not. It's been off for quite some time now, and today I get the chance to do it finally. So it's a fairly simple one because we have room behind the headlight there. Just get your bonnet open, and then if you come to the back here you will see this cover. So we need to open that cover, which might be a little bit hard. It shouldn't really be too hard to open. Okay, not sure that was placed in properly, that's why maybe it was a bit hard. In there we have access to the to that side light bulb, and that one would be the one just sitting at the bottom. We also have access to the other bulb, so you may be able to see there. So the side light one will be that one there. So just turn it anti-clockwise and then you'll be able to pull it out. Oh, and now decided to work. So that's interesting. Okay, so that's the little bulb there. It's what is that? H6WU. H6WU E1, 12 volts. I guess it's 6 watts. W208. Those are the numbers written in there. Okay, so here I have a new bulb. Just gonna take that out. And can then fit the new bulb in there. So you may see that those two little pins there are a little bit offset. So you just need to find the correct angle to put this in, otherwise it won't fit in. There we are. So now you just have to push that in and twist it to the right. Okay, there we are. Now it won't come off. And then we just need to, so I'm just going to switch the lights off. Okay, so make sure that's nicely sitting in there properly, and then we just need to push this back in its place and then just twist it a little bit so it goes in. You can see those two little flaps sticking out there, so you have two sort of openings where the bulb goes, and then you twist it a little bit and it secures. Nothing really too difficult as such. the other bulb there has a little clamp on the side, this little clamp here, that metal clamp. And you just need to move that little clamp to one side in order to get that out. So it's basically these two here, this one, this little clamp, and this other one. You press them in, and then this lifts up, that lifts up. Then you can remove the bulb, but I don't really want to remove the bulb, so I'm just gonna put that back in there. But that's what it is. You just press them inwards, and then it's two little clamps there. You just press them in, and then that comes up. That comes up, and then the bulb can be removed. So anyway, I hope this video helps if you're changing your side light. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.